Watch this DIYer use a battery-powered snow shovel to clear his walkway after a snowstorm. Wet drywall mud that was applied to the corners of this room is smoothed out using a glazing tool on an extension pole. A contour gouge is used to measure the cross-sectional shape of masonry to ensure a piece of wood paneling fits snugly. A master mask or hand tool is used to quickly prep off baseboards that need a fresh coat of paint. This large collapsible ladder gets broken down in 1 second for easy transport. A hydraulic nut cutter powered by foot is used to break the seal of a heart to remove painted on bolt. A section of the ceiling panel is nail-gunned into metal studs after getting lifted and secured by a drywall jack. Watch this gold lead trim puller get hammered behind an old baseboard for quick and clean removal. Electrical wire is spliced into a protective plastic casing with a contraption that gathers the wires and fits them throughout neatly. This adjustable Rena car dolly is wedged under a heavy washing machine, allowing for effortless mobility. Clear plastic self-adhesive film on a roller frame is used to prep off a newly carpeted staircase for protection. Eyelid attachment is hooked onto curtain rings for an exact measurement using a garter tape precision measuring tool. This tile layer uses these 3D screw-down contraptions to ensure his tile is perfectly positioned. Wafer Paver hand tool latches on and extracts freshly cut concrete to avoid finger injuries upon removal. This fence hook attached to a skid steer loader both lifts a roll of chain link fence and rapidly dispenses it. This clamping tool punches pass-through holes into metal studs for electrical work. A retractable hand tool is inserted in a new toilet bowl to ensure quick and safe lifting. Chipping paint is swiftly removed with an oscillating attachment that's powered by an air compressor. Cross sections of rebar are rapidly fastened together using a Makita cordless rebar tying machine. Wood shavings from the removal of a tree stump are relocated with a gas-powered hand tool with a rotating shovel blade.